Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm creating a makeup look to go with the lipstick in the shade called Let's Flamingle, which by the way is such a perfect name for this. This is totally a flamingo pink color. Super stunning. The idea around this makeup look is a look that you could wear to a pool party or even to the beach. And now I know a lot of people don't wear makeup to the pool or the beach, which is totally fine. I personally like to because I don't really swim, so I like to still have a little bit of makeup on and it's fun anyway. So for the look, I just applied the eyeshadow in the shade called U Latte all over the eyelids. And then I applied a tiny little bit of the eyeshadow in the shade called Bombshell all over the lids, kind of focusing more on the center and the outer corner. This just adds a little bit of sheen and like a bronzy glow to the eyes, which is stunning. I didn't do eyeliner this time, but if I were to do eyeliner, I would probably do black or cocoa. And you could also even take a damp angled eyeliner brush and just use Bronze Bombshell as a liner as well. For the eyes, to finish them off, of course, I applied the Lash Project Mascara. I've never personally tested this while swimming because I don't really swim, but I have worn this when I was crying, of course happy tears, but nevertheless, it didn't run or smudge or anything, so I imagine that if you're swimming with this on, as long as you don't rub your eyes, you should be fine. And then of course, to finish off the makeup look, I applied the lipstick in the shade called Let's Flamingle. That's all there is to it. Super simple and easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the pool now. I'm going to bring you along with me, so let's go. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and take care. Bye!